Unit 8 Multimedia. This program comprises Unit 8 Multimedia. After going through this unit, you will be able to describe the basic concepts of multimedia, explore the importance of multimedia, identify and use various multimedia components, identify and use different multimedia applications. Introduction. Newspaper was the first and foremost mass communication medium because it mainly used text, images, and graphics. It was the major source of information for the people. Afterwards, motion pictures, radio, and television were the major and significant new media till the 20th century. This entire new media changed the whole world of mass communication. The mixing of all these media creates multimedia, where text, images, graphics, audio, and video are the major components. The term multimedia is derived from two different terms, multi and medium. Therefore, multimedia can be defined as a combination of multiple media used to deliver information to the users digitally. A figure named as Overview of Multimedia shows the history of multimedia briefly. To understand the meaning of multimedia, see definitions and examples given below. Multimedia is a field with computer-controlled combination of text, animation, graphics, audio, video, images, and any other form of media which can represent, store, transmit, and process all information digitally. It can be said that multimedia generally means that the computer information can be represented through animations, audio, and video in addition to other traditional medium such as text, graphics, and images. A figure named as multimedia, the integration of various forms of media, shows this concept in a clear way. Various forms of multimedia mostly require huge disk space. In this regard, compact discs, CDs, and DVDs can be used. Multimedia presentation. A presentation which involves audio or video clips as well as animations can be considered a pure multimedia presentation. These types of presentation put very positive impact on the audience because with the help of audio and video clips, a presenter can present well and a viewer can understand the presentation easily. Multimedia software. Educational software involves text, audio, video, and animation and is also called multimedia software. These types of software can help learners and students learn easily and improve their learning skills regarding their education. Multimedia CDs are the best examples where instructions are integrated through the form of text, images, audio, video, animations, and graphics. Multimedia system. A multimedia system is capable of representing multimedia information digitally and is characterized by storing, processing, generating, and manipulating multimedia data and information or components. Characteristics of a multimedia system. There are four main characteristics of a multimedia system and they are given below. Number 1. The multimedia systems should be integrated. Number 2. A multimedia system must be computer controlled. Number 3. The information which these systems handle should be represented digitally. Number 4. The interface towards final presentation of medium should be typically interactive. A figure named as characteristics of a multimedia system shows this concept simply. Without these characteristics, a multimedia application can't be effective, valuable, or user-friendly. In order to make the multimedia application valuable, these characteristics should be included in it. There are a lot of different fields where multimedia applications are being used, and these are mentioned below. Business, sales or marketing presentations, trade show production, staff training applications, education, courseware, simulations, e-learning, distance learning, entertainment, games, interactive movies, video on demand online, home, television, satellite TV, mobile phone, public places, information kiosk, smart cards. Examples of multimedia. There are many examples where multimedia plays an important part and provides a lot of benefits. Multimedia courseware. Multimedia courseware is an important application of multimedia which is capable of: number 1, improving the learning skills of learners. Number 2, enhancing their knowledge regarding their education. The learners can easily understand the different concepts because of multimedia content. Overall, it simply leads towards better educational results. World Wide Web, or WWW. World Wide Web is commonly abbreviated by WWW. Most important applications of multimedia. There are many important features of World Wide Web, such as: number 1, the users can easily gain precise knowledge by using World Wide Web. Number 2, it provides any required information instantly. Number 3, it is easy accessible. Electronic newspaper and magazines. The electronic newspaper or magazine is the highly popular multimedia application. It is widely famous amongst people of all ages. It contains many features such as: number 1, it is the one and only mass communication media which provides current information. Number 2, it always keeps people up to date with the fresh national and international news. Number 3, it is a reusable, refreshable and self-contained version adaptation of a traditional newspaper which holds all information electronically. Video conferencing. It is a live connection that allows people in different locations to interact with one another for the purposes of communication by using computer networks. Number 1, it includes both audio and video image. Number 2, it is a face-to-face communication which gives participants an opportunity to see others, body language and facial expressions. Number 3, it allows different people to communicate with each other. Interactive movies. Entertainment is very necessary to keep people glad and fresh. The multimedia applications such as interactive movies or games are the best examples of entertainment, especially for children because: number 1, the interactive movies and games are a source of pleasure for the children. Number 2, children not only enjoy but also learn a lot while watching interactive movies. Multimedia components. Multimedia is generally a combination of different contents like text, computer graphics, animation, audio, and video. These contents are called multimedia components. Each component has its own importance or worth, which can be easily seen in different multimedia applications. The detail of these components is described below. Text. Text is the most important component of every multimedia application. Number 1, title and headlines. Number 2, labels and captions. Number 3, menu, list of options of choices. Number 4, navigation. Number 5, content. Text in multimedia applications can easily express and convey specific information. Graphics. Graphics is another significant part of any multimedia application. It can be mainly used to: Number 1. Reinforce text. Number 2. Supplement text. Number 3. Create impact. In graphics, there are two main levels of abstraction, such as pictures and images. The pictures can be easily originated in the world which is external to the computer. Oil paintings and photographs are the well-known examples of pictures. On the other hand, the images are basically the computer's realistic version adaptation of pictures. It depends on two main factors. The first one is the quality of system computer, and secondly, the graphic designer's skills to use software. The following figure, which is named as picture versus image, clearly shows this concept. The computer graphics can be of two forms, such as bitmap raster and vector-based. Bitmap raster is basically an image file format which is used to save or store digital images. Many other image file formats like PNG, Portable Network Graphics, GIF, Graphics Interchange Format, TIF, Tagged Image File Format, and JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, can also store bitmap images, but these are not normally referred to as bitmaps. Vector-based computer graphics is basically based on sketching or drawing different elements and objects like circles, lines, and rectangles to create an appropriate image. This is all based on mathematical equations which are used to represent images mainly in computer graphics. Properties of graphics. Graphics standards mainly include OpenGL, Open Graphics Library. Graphics are usually selectable, editable, or revisable. Graphics are usually generated by a graphics editor program. Graphics are a two-dimensional figure or illustration which can be produced manually by drawing or painting. Graphics format is constructed by the composition of primitive objects such as lines, polygons, circles, curves, and arcs. Animation. Animation is basically the illusion of motion created by the consecutive display of images of static elements. With the help of this important component of multimedia, the multimedia applications can become interactive. The visual effects like dissolves or wipes are mostly used for primitive animations. The major characteristics of this component is defined below. Number 1. It is mostly used to add some visual impacts to any multimedia application. Number 2. It is used to further enrich the experience of the user, to further understand the information conveyed to them. Number 3. It is one of the major elements of a multimedia application which attracts audience rapidly. Video. Video is another most important component of multimedia. There are many major characteristics of this component which makes a multimedia application very effective and valuable. In an interactive multimedia application, the video component plays an essential role by Number 1. Capturing. Number 2. Recording. Number 3. Processing. Number 4. Transmitting, and number 5, reconstructing the moving pictures. It is a most powerful and main tool in a multimedia application. It can add very good impact to any multimedia application in order to make it more interactive, valuable, and effective. Audio. It is another most important component of multimedia. It provides the listening pleasure of music. It can be used for different important purposes such as Number 1. It gives instructions in order to understand the available material. Number 2. It basically comes in multimedia applications in different forms such as speech or sound effects. Multimedia applications. The multimedia applications include different things such as multimedia presentation, foreign language learning, video games, special effects in movies, multimedia kiosk, animated advertisements, and multimedia conferencing. Multimedia presentation. The multimedia presentation is one of the major multimedia applications. It includes almost every component of multimedia. There are many important features of these applications such as: number 1, it can be used almost everywhere such as educational areas, industrial areas, or business sectors. Number 2, it is the best way to present different views to others. Number 2, it is the best way to present different views to others. The presenter can deliver his or her ideas in a very good way with the help of different significant multimedia components. Number 3, the learners can understand different views easily with the help of images, audio, videos, and animations. Number 4, overall, these types of multimedia presentations put very fine and positive impact on the target audience. Foreign language learning. Learning is basically a complete process where a learner adopts information or knowledge from different ways. Language learning is very essential to choose an easy way of learning. The learners can adopt knowledge from many other different multimedia applications such as number 1, multimedia CDs, number 2, multimedia presentations, number 3, electronic newspapers, number 4, World Wide Web or WWW, number 5, interactive movies. The foreign language learning is not an easy choice, but these types of multimedia applications can provide a way by which the learners can learn easily. World Wide Web is an easy way from where one can learn easily, get information, and learn quickly. There are many ways in order to learn a foreign language online, such as educational areas, colleges or universities, dictionaries, online movies, online interactive games, books, or online presentations. Animated advertisements. Advertisement is basically a form of promotion in order to get attention of the audience, such as viewers, listeners, and readers towards the desired product or a thing. Today, there are a lot of platforms where different things are being advertised efficiently, like number 1, Facebook, number 2, YouTube, number 3, Twitter, number 4, MySpace, number 5, LinkedIn, and number 6, Google. In all these platforms, the multimedia components play an essential part in advertising different content. There are many multimedia applications which are being used for advertising, such as multimedia presentations, electronic newspapers, World Wide Web, or interactive movies. Animated advertisements can easily capture the attention of the target audience. With the help of animation, the advertisements can become number 1, more interactive, number 2, valuable, number 3, effective, number 4, attractive, and number 5, well accepted. Multimedia conferencing. It is an important and significant application of multimedia. Video conferencing is a computer-based multimodal and includes almost every multimedia component. It is a platform where 2 or more persons can be linked together and can interact with each other with the help of computer network. In this system, the user is capable to use natural communication modalities which include voice, video, facial expressions, and body movements. Users can utilize this system to interact with each other, and the information can be exchanged easily between them. The video conferencing is a live connection that allows people in different locations to interact with one another using computer networks. It includes both audio and moving video images. To provide predictable performance, high-speed internet connection is needed. The video conferencing is basically used for the purposes of communication by using computer networks. There are many advantages of this multimedia application, but the main feature of this application is defined as persons or users interact with each other by using their communication modalities such as voice, video, and facial expressions. Video games. The video games are also one of the major applications of multimedia known as electronic games. Various interactive electronic devices are being used with different display formats to make these video games more effective and valuable. There are various types of video games being used for entertainment for people of different thoughts, such as number 1, action games, number 2, educational games, number 3, political games, number 4, puzzle strategy and board games, and number 5, sports games. All these types of video games are equally popular amongst people of all ages. Especially children and youngsters have major source of entertainment. There are many platforms where these games can be played efficiently, such as number 1, computers, number 2, internet, number 3, mobile phones. All operating systems contain different video games which can be played very easily. Many online video games are also available today which are very interactive and interesting to use. Almost every mobile phone contains different types of games, which is a big source of entertainment at every time. Special effects in movies. A visual effect which is added to a movie, theater, or a video game to simulate different events is referred to as special effect. It can also be simply defined as the illusion which is used in number 1, movies, number 2, video games, number 3, television programs, and number 4, multimedia courseware design. In movies, the special effects is considered very important as compared to video games, television programs, and multimedia courseware design. The movie is one of the major applications of multimedia, and special effects make this multimedia application very interactive, significant, and valuable. Special effects are widely used in different movies such as horror, animated, and science fiction movies. The special effects belong to two different segments such as art and science. The science part provides a way to understand how audio-visual sensory parts of a body observe the whole world around us. The art part includes the planned use of all information in order to fool this sensory system. Multimedia kiosk. Computer terminal located in a public place where people may use it for various purposes are generally referred to as kiosk. The multimedia kiosk contains various essential hardware components like number 1, Central Processing Unit or CPU, number 2, touchscreen monitor, number 3, stereo speakers, and number 4, printer. The multimedia kiosk contains software to store data, exchange messages, administer transactions, or dispense various products to customers. Multimedia components make this application very attractive, useful, and effective. With these multimedia components, people can use this application efficiently and gain a lot of benefits. The major and most important example of the multimedia kiosk is ATMs or automatic teller machines. Almost every bank offers the facility of ATM. Today, a lot of people use ATM to obtain money, fund transfer, pay utility bills, and many more. The multimedia kiosks are mostly found in some major places like number 1, supermarkets, number 2, shopping malls, number 3, airports, number 4, banks, number 5, educational areas.